If you're looking for a simple setup to do overhead product shots for YouTube, here's all you need. A black t-shirt, preferably ironed. Your product. An inexpensive ring light from Amazon. This adapter which allows you to attach the ring light to a microphone stand. And, of course, a microphone stand. Now this one I had laying around because I'm sort of a singer, and this is what I use, but you can get them really inexpensively on Amazon. Now what you want to do is make sure you have it level, and the rest I'll show you right now. So now that you have a setup, this is what it looks like. One thing you want to make sure of, guys, make sure your nails are trimmed for stuff like this. You also want to make sure that your product is absolutely flawless, dust-free, and clean. Now these are my sunglasses and they've been used, so they're not going to be clean and flawless, but that's what you're really striving for. You can do some nice close-up detail shots. Fold them up, set them back down, and there you have it. Easy peasy.